Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to upgrade VMware ESXi 5.1 to 5.5 and apply some updates. So the first thing you want to do is after you download the software from the VMware download section, we're going to use this offline bundle here, and we will upload it to our data store. So we'll go ahead and hit upload file. And in this case, we're going to use this 5.5 depot to get the initial upgrade in place, and then we'll later update it with this 5.5 update 2 patch. So to begin, we'll just go ahead and choose upload. Yes. And let me pause this a moment while it uploads. And actually, come to think of it, while this is working in the background, one of the things we can do also is go to the configuration and security profile, and under the services we are going to turn on the SSH, and we'll go ahead and start that. And the firewall should also have the SSH allowed. Right here. So it's allowing. SSH is good, and then I will go through and console into all these hosts and go ahead and power it down. So let me pause the video real quick while I do that. And also, while these are powering down, I'm going to go ahead and start the upload of the update 2 as well. So we'll start that, and then we'll continue to shut down the rest of the hosts, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that the hosts are shut down and the files are uploaded, we'll go ahead and bring up PuTTY and SSH to the vSphere client. Just log in with the same credentials that you set up before, and you can do a VMware L to verify the current version. And then to do the upgrade itself, we're going to do the ESXi software profile update -D. The location, we uploaded this to the data store 1, so we'll go to volumes, data store 1, and you can pretty much tab through this. The -P and ESXi. See, what was it? -550-1 331-820 standard. Alright, now you hit enter, and it's going to run in the background, and you're not going to actually see the output until toward the end of the install, so we'll just wait a moment here. Okay, and it just dumped the output here. So let's see, if we go back up, we can see that the update completed successfully, but it needs to be rebooted for the changes to be effective. This has all the packages that were installed. None were skipped. These are the ones that were removed. So at this point, we can go ahead and type in reboot. You won't see the output right away, but we can bring in. Brought in the remote console so we can watch that process. We're going to get kicked out, obviously, of our telnet session, so I'll actually go ahead and close that. We're going to lose our connection here anyway, so I'll close that, and then we'll keep an eye on this and wait for it to start the reboot process. Alright, looks like it's now rebooting. and I'll actually pause this till it gets to the ESXi portion. Okay, now that this is booting up, you can see that we are now on 5.5 with this build. And once this completes the boot up process, we'll go ahead and apply the patch. So again, I will pause the video for a moment. Okay, so now that we're back up, I canceled the auto power up on one of these, but we'll go back to the configuration, security, and turn the SSH back on. Okay, that is now back on. Minimize this and we'll SSH back in. Okay, now this time we are going to apply the patch. So the syntax is a little bit different. It's ESXi software VIB install -d, the file location, let's see, VMFS, volumes, data store 1 / and then update from. Looks good, and we'll hit enter. And again, we'll have to wait for the output. Alright, and it just finished, and similar to the previous setup, we've got the message that it was completed successfully, but it needs a reboot to take effect. It shows all the packages that were installed, ones that were removed. These were skipped. And at this point, we will go ahead and reboot it, and we should be done. So I will pause the video, and we will check upon reboot. Alright, so here we are back up at the boot up screen, and you can see we're on the 5.5.0 and the latest update 2 that we just applied. So once this boots up, we can sign back in and make sure all the VMs come back up, and that should be it. So I will pause the video for one moment. Alright, and there we go. So now all the virtual machines are powered on and booting up, and you can see we're now on the 5.5 with the update 2 patch applied. So that is how to upgrade from ESXi 5.1 to 5.5, and how to apply any additional patches as they are released. So hopefully this has been informative for you, and thank you for watching.